Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you all are doing well. So today let's count number 8. Hi, I am number 8. I start at the top center. I begin with S and then goes home. Now let's look at the picture. Count and say aloud 8 pineapples. Now students, let's sing a rhyme with me. Some kids wanna play with 8 pineapples. Enjoy today. Some kids wanna play with 8 pineapples. Enjoy today. Now let's have a little activity. Find and circle number 8. I hope you like number 8. Keep learning and keep growing. See you soon.